Hello, I'm Ben Gray, and today we're gonna have a look at these dudes here. So, let's start with this guy here, Blizzard Lizard. Yep, he's got the longer tail with this claw here, and two blades as his main weapons, as you can see. And his main strengths involve ice manipulation and the ability to burp out ice and fart out snow, and he's also able to have intangibility. Yeah, intangibility is the ability to phase through like solid matter, if you don't know what that means. And of course, his main weakness is that even though he can be intangible for solid matter, certain gadgets like defense systems, intangible gloves, everything like that can also neutralize his intangibility in many ways. And even fire can put it off. Yeah. Okay, let's start with Dr-Mace here. His main weapons are the big wings and maces here, and and his main strengths for all of the Ben 10 alien heroes' strengths and predators and its color eyes elemental. Let's start with the alien heroes. Wildmat's sense of smell and hearing forms his strength and durability, and Grey Matter's super intelligence accelerates supersonic speed, upgrades merging with technology ability, and increased intelligence of technology, plus the optic eye laser and technology manipulation, diamond heads, crystal manipulation, crystal encasement, and aging immunity. Ripjaws' underwater breathing, and Stinkfly's goo spit, Ghost Freak's intangibility, Heat Blast's fire manipulation, Cannonbolt's durability, Wildfine's ability to merge with plant life, Upchuck's eating ability, Benwolf's howling and enhanced climbing and stamina, Ben Mummy's stretchable limbs, Ben Victor's super intelligence, technology manipulation and electricity blasts, Wavix cosmic rays, Ditto's self-duplication, Eye Guy's 360-degree vision, Buzz Shock's, electricity manipulation, Spitter's immunity to poison and acid spit and slime spit, and Arteguana's frost immunity, wall climbing and frost breath, and swamp fires, throwing flame ability and plant control, and spider monkeys, web slinging, and Jetwise, Neuroshock lasers and supersonic speed, and Humongousaurus strength, and shapeshifting, and acid hose, and Echo's wall of sound, echo chamber, and sonic screams, and self-deprecation, and chroma stones. Ultraviolet energy beams, brainstorms, electricity manipulation, and superintelligence. Big chill, ice breath, and intangibility, and alien access, ability to repair things and copying anything destroyed, and gold stars, magnetism, and wraths, strength, durability, plus shockwaves, and ultimate swamp fires, ability to throw bombs from the maces, ultimate spider monkey's web spit, and ultimate humongous source, strength, durability, and missile launching from the maces, and ultimate echoes, space evade ability, and sonic discs inserted in the maces, and ultimate cannon bolts, durability, ultimate big chills, ice flames, shrinking, and bioelectricity, armor dwellers, digging, energies, durability and intense heat, amphibians, electricity manipulation, and water hazards, water manipulation, tower spins, wind manipulation, and increased carapace, chameleons, camouflaging, fast tracks, enhanced speed, Etos, laser, shock squatches, electricity manipulation, and flea bats, electricity manipulation, absorption, and redirection, and Blox's regeneration, strength and durability, and Graphitax, gravity manipulation and orbit, plus space ability, and Boll Weevil's ability to spit goo balls, Crash Hoppers jumping long distances, Kicking Hooks kicking, and Mustaches digging, Pesky Dust's dust manipulation, and Walker Trout's slippery skin layer, Worst's durability, Toe Picks, freaky face from the inside, Astrodactyl's flight, Ultimate Wave Bigs, Cosmic Rays increased, Clockwork's time strength, Jerry Rigs, breaking, fixing, and modifying machinery, and Ultimate Wildlands, increased senses. Now onto the Predators. There's Kratos' fire immunity, Buglas's fog, Slamworms, acid bowl spit, Nucleator's sticky sacks, and Pterorantulas, web drawing, and Tyrannopedes, weight and web cocoon, and hypnotism, and face to pusses, extendable limbs, plus Omnivorous' enhanced speed, and he does have resurrection. It means revive somebody, if you don't know what that means. And of course, his main weakness is that even though he's immune to brain freeze, because his brain is already frozen on one side, and immune to brain fry on the other, he's immune to both if it was the exact opposite. If you know what I mean. But other than that, I'm Benjamin Grave, and I'll see you in the next video.